Good morning, class. My name is Nora Hernandez. Today I am here to talk to you about the way I feel about women in the fire service. Women have been in the fire service now for over 35 years, and I think it was a challenge back then and still a challenge today. We are a minority, and I think that's just the way it's going to be. A lot of men feel that we have no business in the fire service, and I think a lot of that comes from the physical aspect of our jobs. I think that it's a well-known fact. Everybody knows that a man is stronger than we are on any given day. However, we had a fire a few months ago. It was a high-rise fire, and we had to climb up all the way to the 57th floor. The fire itself was inside the elevator room, so we couldn't use the elevator at all, and some of us didn't quite make it all the way up to the 57th floor. So I feel that it would be a great idea for the fire departments to create some sort of agility test that once you're on the job, you must pass this test on a yearly basis. I think we do great at training. We do a lot of EMS protocol, new equipment training. We do firefighting drills training too. However, I think that some of us, once we get on the job, we let ourselves go. We don't take care of ourselves, and I think that it should be equally as important to stay fit. And in conclusion to the way I feel about women in the fire service, I think that there's a test, an agility test that's been created, not just for females, but for everyone. So I feel that if a female is able to pass that test, you should be able to perform the job.